And I also can go to the moon. And I can drink.
Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Miss Sonia here today, and I have my little helpers. There's Lucy, Miss Ray, and Andy. Now, we can't all be good at everything. I am definitely not a cook, am I guys? Who does the cooking in our house?
Daddy.
Daddy, doesn't he? He's amazing. And you guys like to cook with Daddy, don't you?
Yep.
But what I do love to do is I love to bake. Now, we have a recipe posted on our Little Lights Facebook group from the wonderful Sophie Curtis. And she has a cake business, which we will also tag. She has sent us a recipe that you guys can make a birthday cupcakes for Little Lights, because we're celebrating what? What are we celebrating?
Our 6th birthday.
Which is why we're in the kitchen today baking cupcakes. Yeah? Now, I'm doing the cheats version. I'm making cupcakes from the box because what happened this morning?
You're not on the baker.
No, well, no, okay.
Because
We used all the
flour in our Play-Doh.
Yeah, I can make Play-Doh well, so we used all our flour to make Play-Doh, so we've run out. So we've got a chocolate cupcake mix by Betty Crocker, and even
some chocolate frosting by Betty Crocker.
By Betty Crocker.
Open it.
Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do a speedy version. We're going to make our cupcakes in the kitchen together. You guys can watch our fast version of making cupcakes. And then you can share your cupcakes with us that you make in your kitchens and go in the draw to win a really epic prize. Alright, let's get baking.
Let's go.
Alright guys,
Let's decorate.
Alright, so here are our finished cupcakes. You want to hold yours up? We made double choc cupcakes today, didn't we guys?
Yeah, chocolate.
Okay, so what we're going to get you guys to do is to make a cupcake this week at home. Remember, you can always use our faithful friend Betty Crocker to help you if you can't get hold of plain flour, right? And we want you guys to send us a video or a photo of you saying happy birthday to Little Lights Dance as we celebrate our 6th birthday. And then on Friday, we're going to have a pre-party before the disco. Your grown-ups will thank me for this because we're going to get you guys to bring your cupcakes with you to our pre-party, sing happy birthday together on Zoom to Little Lights, eat our cupcakes, see your disco outfits, and then burn the sugar off
Before dinner.
at the disco before dinner. Oh, yum. Right, so let's eat it. Peel it off.
No.
Yum. Peel the icing off. I love cupcakes.
I'm gonna
Do you guys love cupcakes?
I'm squishing mine.
You peel off all of the wrapping.
Oh no!
Oh, yum. Look, it's perfect. Okay, on the count of 3, I'm going to bite into it.
Wait, I don't have mine.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.